Welcome back to Clayton M Studio. This video we're going to be working on what I hope to be some new production knives. I had a piece of 1-inch 80 CRV2 laying around that's about 15 inches long, and I set out to make two knives that would fit in that piece. And what I came up with was a Wharncliff, which I've been wanting to make. Should be a nice little pocket EDC carry, nice little blade. What I came up with was that and a same handle with the drop point. It's going to fit real nice on the steel and get this piece used up. We'll start cutting these out and shaping them up and see how they feel. I did just go back in and make both of these a 1/2 inch bigger. Apparently I printed them out wrong the first time. Oh wow. I also just peeled the wrong one. So yeah, so this one is a little bit smaller. Needs a little help. It just started to explain a side quest and the camera stopped working. I feel like I need some kind of indicator that we're recording if I'm going to talk for 15 minutes. This is the little stainless steel spacer barrel threaded on both sides. It's a M47 and it has nice little screws that can go in to hold the handle in place flush, and what I need is to drill that hole. 0.2 is what that barrel is, this drill bit works. Problem is, if I drill those, I normally use those holes to hold the knife on the jig. So normally that hole's a 1/4 inch, and my standard T-nuts fit through that hole. So that's not gonna work, and I don't wanna just put a smaller one through that hole. So I can easily drill another hole in here. I already have a couple. I can drill it where I need it, but I need something to replace this that is smaller. A machine screw nut combination, preferably a wing nut, but I don't know if that's going to happen, and a M8, which is just slightly smaller, so that will pass through, so we can make all the holes, make new holes in the bevel jig, and then be able to hold it on with the replacement for this T-nut here. So basically we're going on a side quest if the phone continues to cooperate and record video. Look what we ended up with. We figured out that Ace Hardware must buy their nuts and bolts from the most expensive supplier, and I'm hoping made in America, because tiny machine screw. So I also got some of the M4s that actually go into the knife. Graphis channel locks. They basically work for everything that every other wrench in the world doesn't do correctly. Like this here. This is going to leave it in the way. File work to do, but it's a general idea.